What? I was going to get Blondine on about all kinds of shit. I mean, stuff.
Good. You get the dynamite. Leave it